Welcome students to my another lecture session. Today we will be discussing on Kaizen. So this is very important concept in the context of organization, any organization. So let us try to understand the basic concept of Kaizen. So Kaizen, this is a Japanese word, and the meaning of the word Kai means, here you can see, Kai means change and Zen means good. That means change for good. So for the purpose of achieving perfection, for the achieving continuous improvement, change is needed. So this change towards positive direction, that means change for good, it is actually referred as Kaizen. So if I go by the definition, you can say, so Kaizen is basically continuous improvement of processes and function of an organization through change. So change is very much needed, and change is the only constant thing in this world. Everything keeps changing. So the change should be towards the positive direction, and Kaizen, it brings continuous small improvements in each and every process, and which eventually leads to the organizational success. So small improvement in each and every area. So that should be there. That is the main motive of Kaizen, and which will create good impact at the broad level. That means for the achieving success of the organization. So Japanese, they feel that many small continuous changes in system, policies, this brings effective result. And basically, it is not only focused on manufacturing sector, but for each and every department, this concept, Kaizen, is applicable for each and every department. So 5 S are there. So 5 S's are there in Kaizen. So 5 S of Kaizen is basically systematic approach, which is a foolproof system, standard policy, rules and regulations for achieving healthy work culture of the organization. So for the purpose of achieving improvement for each and every area, so healthy work culture should be there, better coordination should be there. So 5S, basically it is a systematic approach which will lead to foolproof systems, standard policies, rules and regulations. And it is needless to say that if something good is achieved, in small improvement is achieved, then obviously it will create good impact on employee satisfaction also. So Kaizen mainly plays a very important role in employee satisfaction. You can say from another aspect, customer satisfaction also. So through small continuous change, the change should be continuous in nature. So continuous small change, it will bring effective good result at the end, and obviously it creates good impact on customers as well as employees. So from this aspect, Kaizen is very important. So let us see what are the 5 S's. So first S is Siri. Siri means here, Siri denotes sort out. That means the concept is employees should sort out and organize the thing each and every way. It may be documents, it may be instruments. So everything should be sorted out, everything should be organized in a very befitting manner. So for this purpose, labeling is needed. So the things which are labeling should be there for on the instruments, on the files, on any other things like necessary. Some few things would be there, critical, most important, not needed now. That means which is not used very frequently. So that would be labeled as not needed now. Useless, which are useless, which are not in use. this could be labeled as useless, and so on. So so many segregations can be there, so many labelings can be there. So we need to throw out the useless things which are not in use, because it may consume space, it may give unnecessary hindrance. So we need to throw the useless things, and we need to keep aside what is not needed at this moment. Means what is not frequently used, the instruments which are not frequently used, the files which are not frequently needed, we can keep it aside for few days or for few moments. And items which are critical and most important, that should be kept in safe place. That means which are very frequently used, very critical and most important things, for them safe place should be chosen, and this should be kept at safe place. So this is the concept of SEIRI. Next, Seiton. That means the meaning of this is organize. So according to a research, employee waste half of their precious time searching items or important documents. So if things are not properly organized, if things are not kept in a proper manner, then what happens? When the thing is needed for searching the things, so time, you'll waste time. So in same way, employees, most of the employees, they waste their half of the precious time searching for it may be documents, it may be instruments. So these should be avoided for the purpose of achieving efficiency, for the purpose of achieving good result. So every item should be kept in a proper place. Proper place should be chosen, and each and every time that particular item should be kept in that place only, so that you can remember where this place is kept. So in this way, time would not be wasted. So every item should have its own space and must be kept in its place only. So this is the concept of this Seiton and Seiso. That means signing the workplace. Signing the workplace. So workplace should be kept clean. Wherever you are working, that should be kept clean. No one is interested. No one will be interested to work in filthy environment, in dirty workplace. No one would be motivated to work. So even if your study place is not well organized, if your study place is not cleaned properly, then you'll not find motivation. You may not find motivation to do your study. So workstation or workplace should be kept clean. So at certain interval, it should be kept clean. Cleanliness drive should be there. Okay, so necessary documents should be kept in proper folders and files. Using cabinets, drawers to store the items, that should be there. So this is basically cleaning the workplace. Means things should not be haphazard. Things should not be haphazardly kept. So proper cleaning should be maintained. So this is the main concept of Seiso. Then Seiketsu. That means standardization. We need to achieve standardization according to this S among the 5 A's. So this denotes standardization. So every organization need to have certain standard rules, certain standard set of policies to ensure the superior quality. So without having standard rules and standard policies, quality cannot be achieved. And next is next is Shitsuki. So that denotes self-discipline. That means employees need to respect the organizational policies, whatever organizational policies there, they need to adhere the rules and regulations. So for this purpose, self-discipline is essential. Employees should be self-disciplined. They need to be trained in that way. Okay, so They need to follow the procedures, standard procedures. They should have sense of respect towards the organization. They should feel attached to the organization. So this is basically concept of self-discipline, Shitsuke. So if these 5 A's can be achieved, if these 5 A's is achieved, then no one can stop your organization from the growth. So you'll achieve your growth and you can achieve sustainable growth. Any organization can achieve sustainable growth. So I hope you have understood the concept of Kaizen. So thank you, all of you.